This little green land, for which we all share, needs our support, our love, and our care. To keep the air clean and make meadows green, and all do our parts to regrow and repair. For you and for me, the birds and the trees, the bugs and the bees in the air, we all call it home. This little biome, the responsibility is one we all have to bear.